Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for your sat-nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. I'm just going to show you around this Coachman VIP 565 that's just arrived as part exchange. They are purchasing a new Coachman from us and collect it quite shortly. This model features 2 fixed single beds and the washroom across the back. It's one owner from new, supplied by Broadlane, and as you can see, its first service. It's a cracking spec. I'll just give you a quick tour around. Firstly, it comes with power touch, Evolution auto engage motor mover, tyre on wheel safety bands. They're designed to keep the tyres on the rim of the wheel in the event of a puncture or blowout. And it was also paint sealed inside. The whole van is absolutely immaculate. It's also fitted with Wi-Fi lock. So, VIP 565, 2 colour lockers, they're contoured, and, didn't notice then, soft close. You've got the opening roof light window, full width panoramic window, so this model is 7 feet 7 wide. Integrated blind system, light screens, fly screens. Occasional table. Storage drawers under. Front then makes into 2 singles or a double. Comes with stereo system. Under pelmet swivel LED lighting, and you've also got the LED overlocker lighting. Practical kitchen extension. Fridge opens left or right sided, and there's a freezer compartment in there too. Microwave, kitchen omnivent. Cooker unit with 3 gas burners and electric hot plate, Aldi heating system, alarm system. Another extra, it's got these toppers on top of the original supplied mattresses, and they are in pristine condition. Roof light window, decorative panel on the door to the washroom. This doubles up as a changing room, loo, heated towel rail, basin, and a fantastic size shower. There we go. It's in absolutely pristine condition. It's one owner from new. It's super high spec. I don't think it'll be here long. We offer great pod exchange, finance subject to status. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.